second program is check even or odd number. To understand how the condition works in the C programming, we use the if statement. Then third is a check leave year. To learn how to combine the multiple conditions using the logical operators. The next is a temperature conversion. That is to practice the formulas in the C by using the float or floating point numbers. Right? So our students going to discuss these topics. These programs may look small, but each one teaches you a core concept in C. So like how to declare the variables, take users input and perform arithmetic and use condition and create the loops. So if you are a student, a beginner, or just revising your C basics, this video is perfect for us. So we will go through the program with code, logic explanation and sample. By the end of this video, you will be the confident enough to write small programs on your own and start exploring more advanced topics later. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into our first program. Our first program done by our students. Okay, let's start.
Hi, I'm Deepika from Department of Computer Science. Today I'm going to teach check even or odd number using if statement. Hash include is the header file, stdio.h is the standard input output, int main is the main function, int is the data type and num is the variable, printf is the output statement, scanf is the input statement from the user. If condition, the condition is the number has to be divided by 2 or equal to 2. Printf is if the number is divided by 2, it is the even number. Else the number is not divided by 2, it is the odd number. Return 0. This is the closing statement. Enter a number. Output. is not divided by 2, so it is the odd number. Thank you.
Hi, I am Joshna from Department of English and Computer Science. I am going to explain the program arithmetic numbers. There is a header file hash input stdio.h. There is a int main function, int main. Int is the data types, a, b, sum is a variable, printf is the output statement, scanf is the input statement. We call a sum is equal to a plus b, printf is the output statement, and return 0 is output. We want the arithmetic numbers. We are going to see the program check here. As like include STD, which is the interface, int is the data type, main is the main function, int is the data type, error is the variable, printf and the error is the output statement, scanf is the input statement. If year percentage code equal to 0 and reason of year percentage answer equal to 0, it is the condition. The number is divisible by 4 or otherwise divisible by 100, it is a leap year. The number is divided by 4, the printf statement is printed, otherwise the else statement is printed. Output is entire year 2024. 2024 is divisible by 4, this is a leap year. Thank you. Hello, I am Arnitra from Department of BSc Computer Science. Today I am going to explain the program of temperature conversion. And this is the header file part, and this is the main function. Here we have used int main, and we have used float function because Celsius and Fahrenheit contains decimal parts, and printf is the output part and scanf is the input part, and we have mentioned the condition of Fahrenheit here, and again we have to print the program, the output part, and we have to complete the program by using return 0.
So now the conclusion. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We just finished learning the 4 fundamental C programs that forms the base of every beginner's coding journey. So in the addition program, we learned how to take input and then display output using the variables. The second is even or odd program. We explored the modulus operators and the simple if-else condition. The third is the leap year program. Showed us how to multiple conditions with logical operators together. The fourth is a temperature conversion. Taught us floating point calculations and using the formula inside the programs. Right? And finally, helped us to understand the loops and if-else conditions, logical operators. Code can repeat the multiple times to perform the calculations. Each of these examples helps you understand the main concept of C programming. So variable, operators,